Hello sir, my name is A. Pujalekana from ECEA section. My roll number is 405. Now my topic is about the registers. The types of registers. First one, buffer register, controlled buffer register, shift right register, shift left register, bidirectional shift register, SISO register, SIPO register, PISO register, and PIPO register, and universal shift register. The introduction of the register. A register is a small high-speed storage location inside the central processing unit means CPU. It is used to store the data temporarily during the execution of instructions. Registers are faster than cache and main memory means RAM because they are located directly inside the processor. The first one, buffer register. A buffer register is a temporary storage register used to hold data while it is being transferred between two devices or between parts of computer system like CPU and 1 by O devices or CPU and memory. It acts as bridge between devices that operates at different speeds, ensuring smooth and efficient data transfer. This is the sample figure of the buffer register. Second one, controlled buffer register. A controlled buffer register is a temporary storage register that holds the data being transferred and controls the directions, timing, and enabling of data flow using control signal from the control unit. Shift register, shift right register. A shift right register is a type of shift register where the binary data bits are shifted one position to the right on each clock pulse. Each flip-flop stores one bit and the bit it on one stage moves to the next stage on the right. This is the sample figure of the shift right register. The shift left register. A shift left register is a register that shifts all the stored bits one position to the left on each clock pulse. The new bit enters from the right means serial input and the leftmost bit is shifted out. It is a serial output. All flip-flops share a common clock signal. The inputs of each flip-flop is connected to the input of the flip-flop to its left. The serial input line provides the new bit bidirectional shift register. Uh, A bidirectional shift register is an advanced type of shift register that allows binary data to the shift both to the left and to the right depending on the control signal. It is sequential logic circuit made up of flip-flops and additional logic gates to control the direction of the data flow. SISO register. A SISO register is the simplest form of a shift register. It accepts data seriously and outputs data seriously as well, hence the name serial in serial out. It is mainly used for the temporary data storage, time delay generation, and serial data transmission. The above one is the circuit of the SISO register. SIPO register. A SIPO register is a type of shift register where data is entered serially but made available in the parallel form at the output. This means it converts serial data, parallel data, making it very useful in communication system and microprocessors. PISO resistor. A PISO resistor is a type of a shift resistor that allows parallel loading of data and then serial shifting of that data out of the register one bit at a time. It is the reverse of SIPO register and is widely used in the data transmission systems where parallel data must be sent serially. Examples from a microprocessor to a serial communication line. PIPO resistor. A PIPO resistor is the simplest and fastest type of shift resistor. It allows parallel loading of data and parallel reading of data, meaning all bits enter and exit simultaneously on a single clock pulse. This is the circuit diagram of the PIPO resistor. The last one is universal shift resistor. A universal shift resistor is the most versatile type of shift resistor because it can perform all possible operations. It can shift data left, shift data right, load data in parallel, and hold data. It combines the features of bidirectional and unidirectional shift registers, enabling versatile data manipulations like shift left, shift right, parallel load, and hold. Thank you, sir.